Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You have a Google account with 2FA and a modern browser. Once that's ready, open the Gemini Link page and sign in. You will see a prompt to pair devices. Make sure cookies and pop-ups are allowed so the pairing flow can run. If the companion phone app is needed, install it now and keep it unlocked. This accelerates the authentication step and prevents timeouts as you progress to pairing. Once signed in, you scan the QR code on screen with the Gemini Link app or type the pairing code. This exchanges a temporary key between devices. You will be asked to grant permissions, allow microphone and camera only if you need multimodal features, allow storage for file transfers. After permissions, name the device and set session length. You do this to limit token exposure and control access. When you hit confirm, the secure channel. To finish, run a quick test. Ask Gemini a short question or send a small file to ensure the link works. Once verified, you may adjust privacy and session settings and account controls. Make sure to revoke any device you don't recognize. If pairing fails, clear browser cache, restart the Gemini Link app, and retry scanning the code. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens, then repeat pairing. This usually resolves lingering authentication or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.